Hello all, we will be talking about Colquitz River today. It's a meandering river and it has lots of different areas of flow, some a lot quicker than others, and some big ones and some small ones. Alright, so where the river starts, its headwaters, is around here, Elk and Beaver Lake. I visited twice, first around Bryden Park and I followed this path here and the river around here, and then on the second day I visited Cuthbert Holmes Park behind Tillicum, and I started behind Silver City here and followed the river around this path. The estuary of the river is at the end here at Portage Inlet at an area that's called the Mudflats, and that kind of flows out and into the ocean here. Alright, so right around this orange dot is where I can get the best stream flow data. You can see the mean annual discharge there is 1.71 cubic meters per second. From this graph we can see that the highest flow happens during the winter months and not the summer months. And that is because from this graph it shows the precipitation is highest in those months. Snowmelt's not really a factor in this area because it's always above freezing temperature and there's not too many mountains in the direct vicinity. So near the headwaters of the Colquitz River, it's around 79 meters, and then at the estuary, it's way down around 12 meters at the second park I visited. And so I traced the river with red here, and you can see that around the river is higher areas of elevation. That's what the red is, and then the river is a lower place, so it collects rain from all around those areas.
Hello, I am Keith Buckley, and today we are going to take you on a sightseeing tour of the Colquitz River in Victoria, BC, and also Saanich, BC. Right here is a beautiful spot on Colquitz River where you can see on this long meander the cut banks on the outside, feature 1, and feature 2, all the point bar on the inside of the meander, which is caused by deposition, and the cut bank is caused by erosion.
The murky water here shows the suspended and dissolved load that the river is carrying.
Feature 6, I guess you could say that this is an island, even if it's in a little tiny swamp. Nothing wrong with that.
Right at the other side of the bridge here you can see what is called a nick point, which is like a little waterfall kind of thing. Over here you can see a tunnel and then both man-made and natural levees. One thing I noticed about the waters around Bryden Park compared to Cuthbert Holmes Park was that they were a lot more clear. And I think this is because in the areas in between there's the Panama Flats area where a lot of sediment gets collected and then it's transferred into that second area. There's a lot of ivy along these rivers, which is apparently invasive in this area, and that kind of outcompetes the native plants, and it could hurt the flow of the river. Say I really enjoyed this project because what I liked about this project was that I got to go and see new and familiar places again, and then also it's the first time I've ever made any sort of video type thing, so it's been an exciting experience. I think I'm going to be a star.
This is the supernatural part of the river. When I was 12, I came here in between games in a hockey tournament, and I saw that there was a shopping cart in the river that I saw in my dream the night before. And that's it.